Let's just get it out of the way. 9 out of 10 dropshipping stores are going to fail this year. That's not me being dramatic. It's the reality of the game. But what if I told you the only thing separating a dead store bleeding cash from a 7-figure brand is avoiding a few silent but deadly mistakes? So many dropshippers, new and old, are watching their profits completely evaporate, and they have no idea why. They'll blame expensive ads, the TikTok algorithm, or the economy, but the real problem, it's right in front of them. It's in the choices they're making before they ever sell a single product. In this script, I'm pulling back the curtain on the killer mistakes you're probably making right now in 2025. I'm not just here to point fingers. I'm going to give you the blueprint to fix them before your bank account hits zero. So let's jump in, starting with the number one reason stores are sinking faster than anything else. We're starting with the number one reason stores are sinking faster than anything else. First up, the biggest killer, picking the wrong niche. I know you've heard niche down a million times, but people are still getting it catastrophically wrong. In 2025, you can't just find something that went viral on TikTok 2 years ago and expect to get rich. The days of slinging posture correctors or generic phone cases are over, long over. Those markets are just oversaturated graveyards where your ad money goes to die. The issue is always one of two things. Your niche is way too broad or it's completely irrelevant. A broad general store selling kitchen gadgets, pet toys, and fitness gear has zero identity. Who's your target audience? If you say everyone, your audience is really no one. You can't build a brand, your retargeting ads will be a disaster, and you'll be trying to compete with Amazon. That's a fight you will lose every single time. So what's the move? Focus on evergreen niches with high ticket potential and low brand loyalty. You have to think bigger than a $20 profit margin. Instead of cheap trinkets, look into areas like home fitness equipment, eco-friendly home goods, or specialized pet tech. These are fields where people will happily pay more for a quality product that solves a real problem. Use tools like Google Trends and go lurk on Reddit forums to see what people are actually asking for. Find their complaints, see what they wish existed, and build your store around that. That's how you find a real gap in the market. All right, mistake number 2 is just as deadly, partnering with sketchy suppliers. Let me be blunt, your business is only as good as the company that's shipping your stuff. If you're still using some random, unvetted supplier from AliExpress with 30-day shipping, you are actively sabotaging your own success. It's 2025. Customers expect Amazon Prime level service. They want fast, reliable shipping, not some mystery package that might show up in 5 weeks. Slow shipping, products that look nothing like your ads, and cheap packaging don't just cause a few complaints. They lead to chargebacks, horrible reviews, and getting your payment processor account shut down. The fix here is a non-negotiable rule. You must prioritize reliable and ideally domestic suppliers. The third mistake is letting invisible costs eat you alive. I'm talking about shipping, tariffs, and logistics. So many dropshippers calculate their profit with a simple formula: retail price minus product cost and ad spend. They completely forget about the tangled web of international shipping, and that is a fatal mistake. You might find a product with a fantastic margin only to get slammed with unexpected import duties, customs fees, or shipping rates that change overnight and completely erase your profit. This is especially true for bigger high-ticket items. These hidden fees don't just drain your bank account, they cause massive shipping delays, leaving you with angry customers wondering why their package is stuck in customs. And guess who's responsible for that customer experience? You are. 100%. The solution is to do your homework. Seriously, you need to understand the basics of harmonized system, HS codes for your products, and research the tariff laws for the main countries you ship to. Better yet, work with suppliers and logistics partners who handle all of this for you. Modern dropshipping platforms can even automate tax and duty calculations right at checkout, so there are no ugly surprises for you or your customer. All right, we're covering some heavy but important ground here. If you're listening to this and realizing you've made one, or maybe all of these mistakes, don't freak out. The whole point here is to fix it. If you're getting value out of this and want to build a business that actually lasts, do me a favor and hit that subscribe button. We're only halfway through, and the next few mistakes are what separate the six-figure stores from the ones that crash and burn in 90 days. Now let's talk about mistake number 4, having a garbage website and completely ignoring SEO. Your website is your digital storefront, plain and simple. If it's slow, ugly, or looks like a bad copy of another store, you obliterate any trust a customer might have had. No one is putting their credit card details into a site that looks sketchy or unprofessional. And it's not just about aesthetics. Beginners love to throw all their money at social media ads while completely ignoring search engine optimization, SEO. When you are 100% reliant on paid ads, your business dies the second you turn them off. The fix is to invest in a clean, professional, and fast-loading site. Use high-quality, original product photos and write your own helpful, persuasive product descriptions. Please do not just copy and paste what your supplier wrote. Write copy that sells the benefit of the product, not just its features. Then start learning the basics of SEO. Do some keyword research, maybe even start a blog with content that actually helps your target audience. Building organic traffic takes time, but it's how you create a sustainable brand that isn't totally at the mercy of ad platforms. The 5th killer mistake is a total lack of testing. It's incredible how many aspiring entrepreneurs find a product they feel is a winner, build an entire brand around it, and blow thousands on ads, only to hear crickets, no sales. That's not a business strategy. It's just gambling with extra steps. Going all in on a gut feeling without validating the market is the fastest way to burn through your entire budget. You need data, not just a hunch. The solution is a simple 3-word mantra. Test, test, test. Before you build a whole store, run small, targeted ad campaigns to a simple product page. Spend $50, maybe $100, and see what happens. Are people clicking? Are they adding to the cart? Most importantly, are they buying? You can even create a coming soon page to collect emails to see if anyone is even interested. Testing lets you fail small and fail cheap, so you can then go big on the products that are proven winners. Mistake number 6 is being a copycat. In a world with millions of online stores, the absolute worst thing you can be is a cheap clone of someone else. Ripping off another store's website, their product descriptions, or their ads isn't just lazy and unethical. It's a horrible business strategy. You'll never stand out, you'll never build a loyal following, and you'll never be able to compete on anything but price, which is just a race to the bottom. Why would a customer buy from you if your store is just a slightly worse version of a brand they already know? The fix is creativity and a real brand identity. You need a unique selling proposition, USP. What makes you different? Is it your perfectly curated product selection, your expert advice, your top-tier customer service? You have to write your own content and build a brand that connects with your niche audience. Success in 2025 isn't about finding a magic product to copy, it's about building a brand that people actually trust and remember. So that's the list, the silent killers that are destroying dropshipping stores in 2025. Success isn't about chasing one viral product. It's about avoiding the rookie errors that tank your profits and your credibility right from the start. We talked about picking dead-end niches and why you need fast, reliable suppliers. We covered the hidden costs that will crush your margins and why a professional website is non-negotiable. And we hammered home why you have to test your products and build a unique brand, not just a copy of someone else's. Here's the truth. Dropshipping isn't a get-rich-quick scheme, it's a real business. If you treat it like one, if you're strategic, professional, and creative, you can sidestep these traps and build a brand that doesn't just survive, but actually thrives. The opportunity is still massive, but only for those who are willing to do it the right way. Thanks for watching. If this helped you out, hit that like button and make sure you subscribe for more no-nonsense e-commerce advice. Now I want to hear from you. Comment below with the biggest dropshipping challenge you're facing. I'll be down in the comments helping as many of you as I can. Now go fix your store.